Hi Aquarius, this is Char with Ariana Stark. This is your monthly forecast for September 2021. Like always, I will rely on Tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also being called upon to dive into these oracle decks that I have here. Aquarius, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order, so please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Let's just dive into your reading. Towards the final days of August, stepping into September 2021, we have the Two of Swords. It's quite likely that in these days you were undecided, or maybe you were deliberating about how you should proceed. Perhaps your responsibilities had also increased. It is the Swords energy, so that is why you may have been having discussions with people, especially a senior person. I think sometimes, Aquarians, you are also being called upon to play the mediatory role. Obstacles to overcome this month, we have the Three of Swords. Certainly this month you have to brace yourself because there's going to be demands on your time. There's going to be hectic activity. I think you need to safeguard your health as well. Maybe you should also weigh your words carefully because your relationships could be under strain this month. Another thing, Aquarians, you need to be quite transparent with respect to financial matters. For this month, we have the Empress card. Certainly, Aquarians, you're going to be quite magnetic, you're going to be sought after. In fact, you could also be quite nurturing in this month. People will listen to your point of view. But then you will also feel that you have to deal with a lot of work. Maybe paperwork is also going to increase. Or you could also be dealing with technical issues. Some of you could also be wondering whether advice that you have given in the past is going to be proved to be true or not, as it could have a bearing on another person. That is why you may also be feeling guilt-ridden. The first 10 days of the month, we have the Queen of Wands. In this time, you will be at your creative best. I think you will also feel that you need to seek divine intervention. Maybe you should do some aura cleansing as well because people could let you down. Nevertheless, I think your contacts or your goodwill will definitely benefit you in this month. Many a times you'll also be reviewing your work. Maybe you're going to remove the errors or you're going to edit the work. Even the tasks done by your juniors need to be reviewed. I think in this time you will also be quite forceful. Maybe you will put people in their place, or sometimes you could also give them the silent treatment. Certainly the environment around you could be quite unnerving. That is why you could get exasperated quite quickly. Incidentally, there will also be those days when you don't want to run errands for your family members. That is why they think that you're a bit self-centered. Maybe you feel that your words are misinterpreted, or maybe you think that people are taking advantage of you. 10 days, that is towards 11th to 20th September, we have the Star card. Certainly this is the time which is giving you the opportunity to learn or to enhance your skills. Sometimes you feel that you cannot fight destiny. There'll also be those spur of the moment decisions. By the way, you should not second guess situations, or maybe you will find that your guesses are not always correct when it comes to tasks at hand. Possibly, Aquarians, you should also lower your expectations. Besides, I think you should have a flexible approach because there could be a twist in your routine. I think work-wise also you could be a bit hassled because equipment may be unavailable or it's not readily available to you. Maybe colleagues require it, so you have to share those equipments. Ideally, you have to find a way out. Maybe you should tone down your expectations. Maybe you will think that you have not made enough gains. It's best to control the situation rather than let it go out of hand. For many of you, I'm also picking up that you're dealing with the past life issue here. Towards the final days of September, we have the Queen of Swords. It's quite likely that you're going to be aloof and distant or detached. Maybe you're going to have a very professional approach, and this will certainly help you achieve your ends. Perhaps, Aquarians, you prefer to keep to yourself as you don't want to explain yourself. Maybe your priorities lie towards your profession. Oftentimes, you have to hurry with the task. Maybe you may be unsure whether you should proceed with the task, but then you will do it, or you'll get on with it and you'll be happier for the same. Generally, I think, Aquarians, you will use your common sense or your intellect. In fact, you will also help your family members when they face dilemmas. On the work front also, you're going to do the groundwork. Maybe you will prepare yourself beforehand. Those of you who are in the leadership position, I think you'll be quite free and fair and impartial when handling situations. I think you're somebody who's going to put your demands and views across quite succinctly. Maybe you don't want to explain yourself over and over again. Money and wages could also come in this time. For some of you, the focus will be on spiritual matters. Maybe you will do some aura cleansing. With respect to your love life, I have this card, abandoned. Possibly you may be feeling all alone, or maybe you feel as though you've been left out in the cold. Nevertheless, I think singles can expect the opposite sex to go gaga over your looks. We do have the Empress energy. We also have the Queen of Wands and the Queen of Swords. So certainly attention is coming your way from the opposite sex. I think a particular admirer could also be quite persuasive, but then you should not string anyone along in case you're disinclined. Perhaps you're a heartbreaker. Perhaps you're leaving this person abandoned and cold. Even the Queen of Swords is in your reading, so certainly you're coming across as someone who is quite detached and cold. In case you're crushing on someone, I think you'll be in the process of conveying your feelings. But then somebody around you, perhaps your confidant, could ask you not to do so or not to be explicit. That is why you may feel down and out. I think oftentimes the past could also make you nostalgic. Romancing Aquarians, I think you will enjoy fruitful exchange with your lover. Maybe you will discuss work. Sometimes, this person could also feel that you're not wearing your heart on your sleeve, though he is going to bombard you with romantic messages. Love will certainly blossom this month for many Aquarians. In case you're in a secret romance, you need to be careful because somebody could tattle about your relationship to family elders. Maybe you have revenge on your mind. Certainly, Aquarians, you need to be very careful because people around you could poke their nose in your affairs. In case yours is an on again, off again relationship, I think you will contemplate on the future of this relationship. Maybe there's no commitment or there's no news from this person. That is why you feel all by yourself. Incidentally, we also have this card, promiscuous. So certainly this red color is something which is making you quite attractive. We do have the Queen of Wands here as well. So that is why you do have options with respect to your love life. Maybe your sex chakra is also quite active this month. Married Aquarians, I think you will be dealing with a romantic partner, though there'll be some days when your partner could be quite fussy and crabby. I think you're somebody who wants to use your persuasive charms to make your person change his mind in case there are disagreements. Maybe you want to soothe his nerves. Those of you who are in an unhappy connection, I think you feel that your partner is promiscuous or that he is unfaithful. Maybe marital infidelity could be a factor here. Maybe you want your partner to limit his interaction with the opposite sex. From Lenormand, we have this cardstock. Possibly this month is also ushering in some kind of change or transition in your life. Progress is also going to be there. Many of you could be making those travel plans or you could be relocating. Maybe you're also doing up your home this month. Ideally, I think Aquarians, you need to embrace these changes because this is bringing in positive growth in your life, in your relationships, or even in your career. Lastly, we have this card, Goddess. This is quite interesting because a lot of female figures have come up in your reading. We do have the Empress card, the Queen of Wands, the Star card. We also have the Queen of Swords in your reading. So certainly this month you're coming across as someone who's quite nurturing or who's quite artistic and expressive. Then again, you're also somebody who could invoke female deities, perhaps Athena, the goddess of wisdom, or maybe you could be dealing with Hindu goddesses. Certainly they will help you with the situation that you find yourself in this month. I hope Aquarians you liked your reading. This is Tara with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye till the next time.